Hi guys, it's Amy from Nail Polish Baby 90 and welcome to today's video. Today I am here with a swatch and review of the 90 Lacquer Accent Glitters collection. This is a 8-piece collection that was released in July. I was a little bit late to the game, but I have it now for you to show you. They are a beautiful set of dense micro glitters. So if you want to see swatches of those and a little bit of chit chat, just keep watching. Before we get started, this month in 90 land there was also 2 more nail polishes as well as the accent glitter collection that came out. The first one is of course the July polish of the month. This has exactly the same formula as all the others except from this one is a beautiful gold hollow. Just look at that. Unfortunately, my photo that you're going to see did not capture the gold holographic whatsoever. I don't know what was up. When I looked at it in real, it was blinding, but then as soon as I put the camera in front, it all just disappeared. So I don't know what happened there. But this gets opaque into July polish of the month, which is now available for the whole of this year. So don't worry, because I think this video is probably going to go up in August. July polish of the month, 2 coats. Another new one to the 90 family was Flaky All The Things top coat, and this is similar to Sparkle All The Things and Hollow All The Things. It is a top coat, but this one is made of flakies. Silver flakies to be precise. This is possibly, you could get this opaque if you really wanted to, but it would take probably maybe 4 coats. It does work very well as a topper, which is obviously what it's designed to be. And I wore 1 coat of this over the top of Zoya's Dory. Onto the actual accent glitters collection, I will start first of all with the lighter ones because I noticed as a whole that the lighter 4, which I'll show you first, I could get opaque in 2. Now I think the thinking behind this is because they are light colours, there may have been little patches of my nail line showing, but it wasn't as obvious with the lighter ones because all of the darker ones pretty much needed 3. I think there's the one that I'll show you 5th was almost opaque in 2, but for me these 4 got opaque in 2, the others got opaque in 3. So the first one from this lineup is Amethyst, and it is of course a beautiful dense holographic and purple amethyst shade glitter. This collection as a whole, I probably should have said that before I started, is meant to be worn either as like a 1-finger accent nail, as a full manicure, layers for nail art. You could just wear 1 coat of this over the top of a similar shade and it would look stunning. So it's really a kind of versatile wear how you like collection. It's not necessarily meant to be worn as a full mani, but of course like I did, you can. So this first one, the light purple, is Amethyst, and this one got 2 coats of the photo you're going to see. This beautiful green colour, this one is called Citrine, and again very exactly the same formula and makeup as Amethyst, except from this one is in this beautiful citrine green colour. So again this one was another 2 coater for me. Diamond is a straight up holographic silver amazingness. These are really great to wear in the summer at the moment because you're really going to get the benefit of that beautiful holographic that just shines through. So Diamond was another 2 coater. And the last of the straight up 2 coaters was Rose Quartz, which is a beautiful baby pink. This is kind of similar to like the glitter that's in Teenage Dream, although obviously this one has a clear base, whereas Teenage Dream is a tinted base. But if you're looking for something Teenage Dream-esque, I would recommend Rose Quartz, and this one is the last of the 2 coaters. Onto the dark side of the collection, and these, look at them, these are beautiful for the autumn. These are, the whole collection is stunning. I love a dense micro glitter. Ruby is what we're going to talk about first, and Ruby is the one that was for me 2 coats, but then I had to patch some over, so can you kind of call that a 3rd coat? Kind of. 2, 2.5, 3 coats. This one was not as opaque as the first 4, but more opaque than the other 3. This one isn't a true ruby red like you would think with the name Ruby. This is more of a dark cranberry pink. Beautiful for people that love a girly sparkly manicure. So like I say, this one was like an in between 2 and 3 coats for me. On to my favourite 3, no surprise. This one is Sapphire. Just look at this. For all those that have a Peculiar Star or a Peculiar Star 2.0 by 90, this is a more cerulean, brighter blue than that one. And this one, or one of the versions has silver and the other one doesn't. and this one is obviously in a clear base. I loved this one, obviously, because I love blues and greens. No surprise, I'm going to tell you those are my favourites. So 3 coats of Sapphire. As we just spoke about this one is Emerald, the beautiful deep green in this collection. I know this, I'm like so predictable, but I just love greens and blues, and obviously these two are my favourite. So this one is another 3 coater, and this one is Emerald. Wrapping up the collection is Onyx, and Onyx is a beautiful black glitter with holographic in there. I think this is really unique, and if you have Cricket by 90, which is a black holographic, this is like the micro glittered version of Cricket. Really unusual, you don't get a ton of polishes like this, so for that reason I did also like that one a lot. So 3 coats of Onyx. So that was the Accent Glitters collection by 90 Lacquer. This collection is available right now on 90 Lacquer, and very excitedly, it will soon be available on Rainbow Connection. So everybody who is a Rainbow Connection lady from the UK, 90 the brand will soon be on there for you to shop and spend all your coins. So I will link Rainbow Collection down below, and I will link 90 down below. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've picked up any of the Accent Glitters collection, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.